As we arrived into Jervis Bay yesterday, we were greeted by the dolphins straight away. Sailing into this popular bay with its white sandy beaches, we decided to anchor at Huskinson and spend the day. It is a gorgeous morning here in Jervis Bay and we have been dolphin watching. They have been all along here in the marine sanctuary catching fish this morning. Nothing I'd rather do on a Monday morning than being on dolphin watch. This was my first dinghy run, a really cool way to get to town.